Welcome to my channel, The Right Direction. Now, I am going to teach about environmental studies. The topic is multidisciplinary of environmental studies. What is multi? Multi means variety. Multi କହିଲେ ଆମେ ସାଧାରଣତଃ ବୁଝିଥାଉ more and more things. Suppose what is in environment? It is multidisciplinary. Variety types. One is physical. Physical refers to your water resources, then earth resources, and refers to your forest, trees, mountain, lakes. These are the things how it is essential for us, it is essential for human being. From one section, then what is political on the field of government level or on the field of political level means so much issues like your Chipko movement, Apiko movement, ଯୋଉଥିରେ କି ଲୋକମାନେ ତାକୁ ନେଇକି ରାଜନୀତି କରନ୍ତି ଏବଂ ରାଜନୀତିରେ ସେମାନେ ବହୁତ କିଛି ଉପରକୁ ଉଠି ଯାଆନ୍ତି because of environment. So every field there is also environment. And your scientific, what is scientific? Science relates to your physics, chemistry, botany, geology, everything. In this field you also know how the importance of environment is there. Everybody, that means environment is the center around which all the disciplines, all the things, all the people, all the environment, everything is revolved around. And now I am teaching you, it is also an environment. That means how it is multidisciplinary, how it will affect in our day-to-day life. ଏହା କିପରି ଭାବରେ ଆମର multidisciplinary ହେଇପାରୁଛି ଏବଂ ମଣିଷ ଜୀବନରେ ଏଇଟା କିପରି ଭାବରେ ଲାଗିପାରୁଛି. But before that we don't know what is environment. But now due to the natural calamities, due to its bad effect, we know how the importance of environment. ଏବେ ଆମେ ଜାଣିବାକୁ ପାଉଛୁ environment ର importance ଟା କ'ଣ ଆମ ପାଇଁ. We know it in a nutshell. Then economic point of view, what that means, you know, human wants are unlimited but resources are limited. Remember, human wants are unlimited but resources are limited. That means how to use, how to utilize the resources and how to sustain, how to make a perfect balance. Not only if we think about the economic development, but also we also think development of the country also, nation also, environment also. ତା ଅର୍ଥ ଯେ ଆମେ କୌଣସି ଜିନିଷକୁ ଏକ୍ସଟ୍ରାକ୍ଟ କରି ତା ଦ୍ୱାରା ଧନୀ ହେଇଯିବା ଏବଂ ଏନଭାରନମେଣ୍ଟକୁ ସମ୍ପୂର୍ଣ୍ଣ ରୂପେ ଜଳାଞ୍ଜଳି ଦେଇଦେବା, it's difficult on the part of you. So we will take proper care of the environment. As a result, we know how to recycle, how to reuse all the natural resources. It will further give a benefit to our generation. That's why we know about the sustainable development. That means it will sustain for future and we will use the thing judiciously. Then a religious point of view, you go in every religion and if you think about in ancient time, in Buddhism, Jainism, Hinduism, Muslim, Christianism, everybody, we are the worshipper of nature. We always worship nature. We tell that nature is our friend, philosopher and guide. Nature is God. ଆମେ ସବୁବେଳେ ନେଚରକୁ ଏଇଟା ବୁଝିଥାଉ ଯେ ନେଚର ଇଜ ଓମନିପୋଟେଣ୍ଟ, ନେଚର ଇଜ ଓମନିପ୍ରେଜେଣ୍ଟ ଆଣ୍ଡ ନେଚର ଇଜ ଓମନିସାଣ୍ଟ. ଆମେ ଜାଣିଥାଉ ନେଚର ହେଉଛି କ'ଣ? ଓମନିପୋଟେଣ୍ଟ, ଅଲ୍ ପାୱାରଫୁଲ୍, ଅଲମାଇଟି. ପ୍ରକୃତି ହିଁ ହେଉଛି ସବୁକିଛି. ଆଣ୍ଡ ନେଚର ଇଜ ଓମନିପ୍ରେଜେଣ୍ଟ ଏଭ୍ରିୱେୟାର ଥ୍ରୁ ଆୱାର ସରାଉଣ୍ଡିଂ. ଦ୍ୟାଟ୍ ଏନଭାରନମେଣ୍ଟ ଇଜ ପ୍ରେଜେଣ୍ଟ ଏଭ୍ରିୱେୟାର. ନେଚର ଇଜ ଓମନିପ୍ରେଜେଣ୍ଟ ଆଣ୍ଡ ନେଚର ଇଜ ଓମନିସାଣ୍ଟ because we are the son of the nature. Nature is everything. Nature means God. So that's why nature is omnipotent, nature is omnipresent, and nature is omniscient. Nature knows everything. That means nobody can challenge with nature. Nature is the supreme power. Nature has the right to do. That means nature is the creator, nature is the destroyer. Though we are, जडिवा हमें होचु निजर सृष्टिकर्ता वा संहारकर्ता, but it's our duty, basic duty. एटा हम basic duty हवा दरकार to take proper care of the nature. Then engineering, from engineering point of view, what that means, you know about engineering, about your plant, about afforestation, everything, and also agriculture. एव्री पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू आम चाष आरंभ कर प्लांट पर्यंत सबुथिरे आम बेसिकली वी नो अबाउट इंजीनियरिंग इंजीनियरिंग कहले आम साधारणतः जानी था कोटार को परिमाण एंड हाउ इट विल बी सस्टेनेबल हाउ इट विल बी ऑटोमेशन हाउ इट विल बी सेफ्टी हाउ इट विल प्रोवाइड एनीथिंग कारण आम जानी गोटे प्लांट तैयारी वी विल टेक व्हाट टेक द परमिशन फ्रॉम the environment clearance or about the clearance of the environment. So that's why I mean certifying because our department of NGT National Green Tribunal is there to provide whether you will work on a plant or not. So that's why it is also engineering. And in the case of social, you know, man is a social animal. Manisha is a samajika prani and he lives in the society. As he lives in the society, it is his particular duty to take care to take a proper responsibility because in our fundamental duties our constitution of india our constitution of india fundamental duty देखा है to development environment in all spheres सब क्षेत्र रे हमको कोन करा डेवलपमेंट करया पे पड़ो and except that in our directive principle of state policy article 48 48 रे लिखा अछि how to take care of the environment maintain agriculture animal husbandry it is also mentioned आमे केमिति कोन करिवा केमिति स्थिति रे so in nutshell environment is the cyclic process through which that means all the world all the society everything was a revolution आमी सब environment द्वारा ही परिचालित होछु so it should be the duty of us to take proper care of this multidisciplinary variety discipline every field there is also environment then scope for environmental study what are the scope where we live and how it will be benefit of you for what are the scope first is natural resources definitely we know resource if we preserve if we conserve the natural resources and if you take the proper care of natural resources how to preserve it or how to continue it for a longer term or make what research on a research we are also making research on natural resources where there is minerals where there is mines where there is all these things we are getting these are and ecology and biodiversity and also another discipline is ecology to take the overall development of the environment and biodiversity that means we know ame भी जानो छु about vulnerable about endangered ame जानो छु केतनगर संख्या लोप पाउछि लोप पाइबा को जाउछि and some of them are extinct किछि पूरा संपूर्ण रूपे लोप पाइ गलेनी so ecology and biodiversity that is diversity means variety we will take simultaneously man animal that means we take the responsibility of the flora and fauna world then environmental pollution and control so definitely what we will do environmental pollution environment is polluted in various way by your air water sound soil thermal your solid waste and about your thermal every nuclear that means environment is polluted in various ways and how to check it, how to control it, we make a thorough research, thorough study of to control the environment. And then your human population and environment. That means, as I am telling, man is the maker and man is the breaker. Man is the maker and man is the breaker of his own destiny. That means man knows how to take proper steps, how to do the things in which the environment will not be polluted due to industrialization, urbanization, the atmosphere is polluted because we are facing what global warming and greenhouse effect. ये सब द्वारा हमें global warming and greenhouse effect शिकार होଛୁ. But if population know how to maintain it, sustain, how to disperse, how to use the method of afforestation and how to take proper care and to obey the rules and regulations जहाँ सब सृष्टि रो नियम अछि ताको मानिले हम ताको अति सहज रे एड़ी दे परबा then research and development. That means now recently we know what is the percent of a tree, though we know in our world 33% of a tree must be there. That is vegetation. As you know, that is vegetation. That means this relates to forest resource. If it is not in your world, then definitely it will, the environment, condition of environment is day by day deteriorating and deteriorating. Then green advocacy. What is green advocacy? You know, in the year 2010, National Green Tribunal was established or founded, and the duty of the National Green Tribunal was to take or was to give permission or to take a vigilant eye where there is the malified intention of an institution, an organization, even some of the mafias, what they are doing, the institution will order to the government that to take or do the needful or take it expeditiously, to work it expeditiously or to make the operation very seriously. तो तांको कहा जाए कि भली भाव रे कोन करिया पई पड़िबो जेमती हम जे कोन जगह जंगल काटिले गोटे जगह जंगल काटिले अलग जगह हम कोन करिया पड़िबो जंगल टे सृष्टि करिया पड़िबो then we will do the development work. Not unless or until if you had not done plantation, nothing will be allowed for the development. Then green marketing. What that green marketing? You know, whatever the thing we use, we know how to use the green things. Green things they relate to your environment and environmental consultancy. Except that whatever we want to do, we always take the advice of any of the NGOs or any organization. Those who are working, most of the organization in our day-to-day affair, they were taking just like IUCN, Bombay Natural History Society, Kaito Protocol. Most of the things are rules and regulations are mentioned how to maintain all these things. So in this way, I have given a nutshell about the environment, the multidisciplinary studies. Okay, so please share and subscribe my channel in the right direction so that I can upload more and more videos for the development of you. Thank you.